A very good evening, everyone. Our honorable guest of honor, Prithvi Mohan, all the esteemed guests, our invited members from the press, from the various social community, I think all the heads of Tilak Education Society, the principals, the administrators, our Chief Administrative Officer, Mr. Suresh Pillai, our teaching, non-teaching staff, our parents and dear students. On behalf of management of Tilak Education Society, let me once again warmly welcome each and every one of you to Vibrance 2025. Every Vibrance is special, every Vibrance is unique. I think many of y'all would not have experienced Vibrance in this hall, Vishnudas Bhavye, because we generally do it in our own campus, but they say change is good and change is needed. But one thing I would like to specify here, the biggest satisfaction an institution, the management, the principal, the teachers get is when one of their very own comes as a guest for an event organized by the college. And I'm really glad to see Prithvi today. He is one of our very own. Probably there was a time when he used to sit in the audience, probably perform the way you all are, and I'm so happy and proud to see him as a guest today. There is nothing more which makes an educator happy than to see one of his own students, one of his own child be at a certain position. It is always a great feeling. I hope all of you all aspire that एक बार तो कॉलेज में गेस्ट बन के जाना ही है, उसके लिए वो मुकाम तक पहुंचो जो हम चाहते हैं और जिसके लिए आप में वही काबिलियत है. आज का जो थीम है कलयुग. I think when we look at this word Kalyug, it's a very negative word. कुछ बुरा है, कुछ बुरा होने वाला है. But when we look at it a little bit positively, it also speaks about change. It is the आरंभ of something new. आज के युग में अगर हम देखें, बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन है लेकिन क्लैरिटी नहीं है. बहुत सारा मैशअप है लेकिन म्यूजिक नहीं है. बहुत सारे रील्स हैं लेकिन एक प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन नहीं है. आई थिंक इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड वायरल बनने से ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल बनना इंपॉर्टेंट है. और अगर आपको वो वैल्यू क्रिएट करना है, आपको अंदर जाग के आपका टैलेंट क्या है वो पहचानना है. Believe me, I think my own students from 1983, when Tilak Education Society has been established, have been proving marks is important, but marks is not everything. We as an institution have always believed in the holistic development of the child. That is, along with academics, sports, cultural activities, community service, leadership. I think these are things which we try to inculcate in each and every one of you. But at the end of the day, it's up to you to find your own talent. और एक बार आपको लगा कि मैं ये चीज में अच्छा हूं या अच्छी हूं, then I think you should never look back. Because at the end of the day, अगर आप खुद पे भरोसा नहीं करोगे, दुनिया में आपके ऊपर कौन क्यों भरोसा करेगा? I always believe that every student, every child has some talent in himself or herself. We, the school, we, the college, are only a medium. We give you the stage, but somewhere you should use that platform and come out, break these negative things which are there in your mind, utilize your energy, your junoon, your passion in the right direction, not in breaking benches, but in making things, organizing events, maybe for society, maybe for community, maybe for our country. And I'm really glad that Tilak Junior College has taken forward this vision of Tilak Education Society through the various events. I think Ayman, Interact Club, these are all just some examples where we have tried to reach out to the community, and I'm really glad that we have got the same kind of response from the communities also for these kind of events. But at the end of the day, the biggest takeaway for us is that our students and our children are learning and getting an opportunity to do something. So at the end of the day, I don't want to make a long drawn speech. I want you to enjoy this event. Consider it as a small story which will change your life and it will make it different. Enjoy the show, have fun. आपको आज का धुरंधर नहीं, फ्यूचर का सिकंदर बनना है। और मैं यही चाहता हूं आप सभी लोग अपने आप पे भरोसा रखें, अपनी काबिलियत को कभी डाउट नहीं करें, और हमेशा at the end Tilak Junior College is always there with you. Tilak Education Society will always be with you if ever you need us. Thank you so much and have a great evening ahead.